Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics so you don't chase ghosts. First, make sure the Messenger app is up to date. Outdated builds often break theme toggles. Next, check your phone's system theme and display settings because Messenger can inherit system-wide dark or light mode. Once done, force close Messenger, clear its cache, and restart your device to remove transient state. These steps remove the most common causes quickly, so you can focus on deeper fixes if the problem persists. Now you run focused diagnostics to isolate the root cause. Open Messenger's profile and switch appearance between light, dark, and system. Observe when the theme updates and when it does not. Then inspect interfering permissions. Apps that draw overlays or certain accessibility services can block theme rendering, so disable them temporarily and retest. If toggles still fail, back up necessary conversation data and reinstall Messenger to reset corrupted settings. After reinstallation, finish by validating the fix across scenarios so the issue won't recur. Sign out and sign into a secondary account or another device to see whether the problem is account-specific or device-specific. Make sure the operating system has no pending updates, since theme engines are often patched at the OS level. If the problem persists, report the bug through Messenger's Help Report a Problem and include steps, screenshots, and app logs when possible. This speeds developer triage. A key troubleshooting tip: test with a new user profile to isolate account versus app faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.